What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick install video on the Widebody Challenger. Today we're going to be installing the Luxe Auto side marker tints. Alright, so as some of you guys already know, I have it on the back bumper, as you can see right there. So I finally pulled the trigger, bought the kit, so I'm going to do the front and side markers now finally. So we're just going to go over the install. This one is a dry application. I did put on wet. These ones are going to be dry. So we have our heat gun ready. They give you one spare in case you screw up, get a second chance. So we're just going to time lapse it, go over, and try to get these installed as good as possible. We'll see how they fit, and we'll take it from there.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.